welcome to our group. We are gonna tell you about narrative text. So, let's go! Hidup Jokowi.
Hello everyone, welcome to our fun learning video. Today, I will explain about narrative text, especially fairy tales. Narrative text is a type of text that tells a story to entertain readers or listeners. Usually, the story happened in the past and include character, a setting, and a clear plot. That makes the story interesting and easy to follow. Narrative texts are very popular in books, movies, and storytelling activities. People enjoy narrative texts because they can imagine the story and feel connected to the characters. One of the most popular types of narrative text is a fairy tale. A fairy tale is a fictional story that often contains magical elements such as kingdoms, princess, witch, giants, dragon, or fairies. Many children love fairy tales because the stories are imaginative, colorful, and full of adventure. The main purpose of fairy tales is to entertain the audience. However, fairy tales also usually give us a moral lesson, such as being kind, patient, brave, and honest. So, fairy tales are not only fun to read, but they also help us learn good values in our daily life.
I will continue the explanation about fairy tales. Every narrative text has a generic structure. This structure is very important because it helps the story become clear and well organized. The first part is orientation. In this part, the writer introduces the character, the time, and the place of the story. This part helps the audience understand who is in the story and where the story happens. The second part is complication. This is the most exciting part because a problem or conflict begins to appear. Without complication, the story won't be boring. The third part is resolution. In this part, the problem is solved and the story reaches its ending. Sometimes the ending is happy, but sometimes it can be sad. Let's look at an example from the famous fairy tale Cinderella. In the orientation, we are introduced to Cinderella and her cruel stepfamily. In the complication, Cinderella is not allowed to go to the royal ball and feels very sad. In the resolution, the prince finally finds Cinderella using the glass slipper, and they live happily ever after. From this example, we can clearly understand how a fairy tale follows the narrative structure.
Hello. Now, I will explain about another type of narrative text called legend. A legend is a traditional story that many people believe really happened in the past. Legends usually come from folklore and are passed down from generation to generation through storytelling. Unlike fairy tales, legends often talk about real place and human character. However, sometimes legends also include supernatural events to make the story more interesting and mysterious. The purpose of a legend is not only to entertain, but also to explain the origin of a place and to teach moral value to the audience. For example, many regions in Indonesia have their own legend that explain mountain, lakes, or famous place. One of very famous legend from Indonesia is Malin Kundang. This story teaches us that we must always respect and love your parents because being disobedient can bring bad consequences. So, legends are a meaningful story that combine entertainment, culture, history, and life lesson. And this is an example from the story of Malin Kundang.
Now, let's talk about the language features of legends. Because legends tell stories that happen in the past, they usually use the simple past tense. For example, went, ran, sailed, returned, shouted, and cried. Legends also use time conjunction to show the sequence of events clearly. Some common time conjunctions are once upon a time, then, suddenly, after that, later, and finally. In addition, legends use many actions verbs to make the stories more vivid and exciting for the audience. Sometimes, legends also use direct speech or dialogue to make the story feel more alive. Here is an example. Malin Kundang went to sailing to seek his fortune. After many years, he returns home as a rich man. However, he refused to admit his mother. His mother was very sad and prayed angrily. From this example, we can clearly see the use of past tense, time conjunctions, and action verbs. These language features help legends become easier to understand and more interesting to read.
Fable text, a short narrative story. I will explain about fable. A fable is a short narrative story that usually features animals as the main characters. What makes fable very special is that the animals can talk, think, and behave like humans. Fables are very popular, especially for children, because the stories are simple, fun, and meaningful. Even though the stories are short, they usually contain very important lessons. The main purpose of a fable is to entertain and to teach moral lessons. Through fables, we can learn many good values, such as honesty, kindness, teamwork, humility, and helping others. One famous example is The Lion and the Mouse. This story teaches us that even small creatures can help the strong ones, and we should never underestimate others. So, fables may be short stories, but they give us powerful of life lessons.
Now I will tell you a short fable and explain its structure. Listen carefully. Once upon a time, a lion was sleeping peacefully in the forest. Suddenly, a small mouse ran across his body. The lion woke up angrily and caught the mouse. The mouse was very scared and begged for mercy. It promised to help the lion someday. At first, the lion laughed because the thought the mouse was too small to help him. However, the lion decided to to let the mouse go. Later, the lion was trapped in a hunter's net and could not escape. He roared loudly for help. The little mouse heard the roar and quickly came. The mouse gnawed the net with its sharp teeth until the lion was finally free. From the story, we can identify the orientation at the beginning complication. When the lion catches the mouse and later gets trapped. The resolution when the mouse helps the lion escape. The moral value is kindness will always be returned someday.